Welcome to Sessions on Python Tutorials, where we break down Python programming in the simplest way. I'm your host, and today we are featuring a seasoned professor and practitioner who will help us explore the significance of zip function in Python programming. From storing data to performing calculations, these are the building blocks of every Python program. Stay tuned and watch till the end for clear explanations and practical insights to level up your coding skills. Master AI effortlessly with our channel, covering Python, free AI tools, data engineering, generative AI, cloud fundamentals, and more, perfect for beginners, researchers, academics, and professionals. Subscribe now, hit like, and share with your friends and colleagues to stay ahead in the AI revolution.
Now we are going to discuss about the zip function in Python. Zip function is a very useful kind of a function which is there in Python. And what exactly is the requirement of this function, that we will discuss in this particular video. In zip function, we are having a special facility, that is, it accepts equal length of lists, right, as input. So while you are providing an input, you will provide equal length of two or more lists, that is more than one, and in return as an output it will provide you with a list of tuples. Okay, so I think this theory doesn't make any sense to you unless and until I provide you with some real-time example with the help of certain codes. So let us code, and I would expect that you will also type along with me. So I am typing here first underscore name equals to, let's say, Tanmay, comma, and then I'm typing Saloni, which is another name. So Tanmay and Saloni I am typing here as first name, and then I'm typing last name. So last name which I am typing is Sen, comma, again I am typing after Sen, let's say another surname which I am willing to type is Roy. Okay, so now I will apply the zip function for you. So full name, what I will try to type here will be full name equals to zip, right? What I will type, first underscore name, comma, last underscore name. Okay, so I would like to see what is the data type that I have created. So what is the syntax for that? As we have already done, the syntax for that is full underscore name. So this particular statement is expected to show us the data type. Let's see. Yeah, it's the class zip has been created. Now if we really want to concatenate this, okay, so we are running a for loop for f comma, or the first name, first here, comma, last, comma, in full underscore name, colon. Okay, so it gets auto indented. What we would like to print first, okay, and then you would like to concatenate, so that's why a plus sign, and then opening and closing quotes, separate them with a space, okay, and one more space, and then last. This is what we would like to print, isn't it? Okay, so let's see that whether we are getting the desired output or not. So let's hit run here. Okay, so as you can see, it is, or it has returned a list of tuples. Okay, so Tanmay, Sen, and Saloni, Roy, these two names are now concatenated for you. This is about zip function. Hope you will practice this.
If you found this tutorial valuable, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and share it with others who might benefit. Explore the description for a link to our Udemy course, where you'll learn techniques to use generative AI to automate your daily tasks. Also, check out this YouTube channel for more videos covering Python, data engineering, ETL, cloud computing, generative AI, and much more. See you in the next video.